Hola amigos. I want to invite you today to see how I'm preparing for a conversation session. In this case, this one will be, depends, maybe 90 minutes as the topic we want to discuss today or to talk about is a little bit intensive. So I expect plenty of conversation. I hope so from the new Spanish speaker. So I just want you to see how I prepare, which is based on the last session. Then I prepare the new session of topics related to the previous one in order to refresh, that knowledge. Seeing, and as well the person feels motivated because it's more fluent in speaking. Yeah, it's a little bit, but it is. Yeah, it happens. So what I do is just at the very beginning I start with some questions and answers just to warm up. The session, and then I share some vocabulary related to what we're going to discuss. I show some images, and from there we move into, a little bit controversial sentences for the other person to start speaking. Yeah, and how do you say this in Spanish, and so on and so forth. So basically, that's how we do. At the end, I just take some notes and see what needs to be improved. That's my recommendation given to the other person, and that's it. Yeah, that's how we work. So I wish you a great day ahead, and I hope to meet you very soon. Share, like, and follow me. Bye bye.